How to put a song on Instagram Notes. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can put a song on Instagram Notes, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to put a song on your Instagram Notes, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up the Instagram application here. Then you want to just tap the DMs icon from the top right. Before you do all of this, I want you to make sure you've updated the Instagram app. So open up your Play Store and also make sure that the Instagram app has an update, then update it to the latest version. Then you can just come back to the tab, tap the plus icon as you would. You can choose to share a note, which in this case could be any random note. And if you want to add a music to that note, you can just tap this little music option as you can find it over here. You can just go ahead and tap on this option. And now you can just search or browse for a music that you might want to add it. So you can just go ahead and select them. The good thing is that, of course, you can also select which part of the song you would like to add in this case, because you can see the verse and the stanza and you can listen to it. I'm only muting it due to copyright reasons, and now I'm going to just tap the check option. If you want to share with followers that follow you back, you can just go ahead and do that, or you can only select it with close friends. And now once you've done that, just tap the share option on the right hand side in order to successfully add this note. And this way you can go ahead and then actually put a song on your Instagram Note. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.